Okay, everybody. Well, this is probably going to be a little long video. I am going to check this paydirt out to see if it's any good. They had a promotion. We got a couple bags for we bought one, and they said they were going to put nuggets in these bags to selected packages. So I used my pinpointer on these bags. There's no nuggets inside. So what we got in here is small, tiny gold, most likely. Now we're going to do a little test and see how little gold is actually in these bags. And this is the Museum Specimen bags. I don't have my sniffer bottle with me. Can't find it, so I have to use something else. See how much gold we get. I suspect very little from my experience with these gold bags. A lot of dirt in there. Let's see if I can move some of it away. And there's a moment of truth. Very light gold. It actually floats on the water. If you're not careful. Try it again. I can tell you right now, there's very little gold in this thing. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors in that little bag. Maybe a couple more tiny ones, but there's not much gold in here at all. That's what I expected to find. It's so fine, I can't even get it to move away from floats on the water. and some soap. So finally I get some soap, and that's the gold out of the first bag. That's like nothing. Not happy. So we'll start the next one here in a sec. Okay, bag number 2. I suspect to be just as much or less gold in this one as well. Getting down to the black sand. Now, not a whole lot of noise. Guess I should be talking more. I don't know. It's not going to be a great video. The best experience I've had with gold dirt has been from the GPAA club. I've actually ordered bags and gotten a couple of nuggets out. This is just horrible gold. I wouldn't waste, so far I wouldn't waste any money buying this. See, this is what's left, and let's see how much gold's in there. Put a little bit of soap so my gold doesn't float away. Just need a little dab of soap. Okay, I'm going to pause it and then I'll let you know. Alright, just move the black sand out of the way. And there's the gold. That's all you get. I'll have to let you know what I paid for these bags. This one was buy one, get one free. And so far, it's just not worth the amount of money that you're paying for them. So stand by and I'll get you the next bags. Now this bag is called Flawless. This one, they bought one, you got 2 free. And again, they're saying they're going to put nuggets in select bags. I never have that much luck in these types of bags. I only had luck with the GPAA gold. So let's see if we can find anything in this one. Now, I should have more gold in this bag. It's more expensive. I need 2 grams of gold to get my investment back. And it doesn't look like it's going to happen. A dab of soap. I don't know about you guys. I really don't see the difference in the 2 bags. There might be a little bit more gold in there, but I would not buy this again. I'm going to suck it out of the bottle, out of the pan. I'll be right back. Okay, here is bag number 2 of the Flawless. I'll get this opened up. Pour it in there. See all the gold go down the bottom of the pan. Okay, here's the moment of truth. A little bit of soap. Some dab of soap. Get that water from floating that gold. Okay, let's see what we got. And this is really fine gold. This is worse than the last batch, last bag. This is about, oh, I don't know. These guys are making a killing off of us and what they're putting in these bags. Here we go. Bag number 2. Tiny, tiny pieces. Not much there. But we only get a quarter gram out of this thing in total gold. Out of these tiny bags. I do have a 5-pound bag that I'm going to do to get some of this black sand. More of this black sand. Okay, I'm going to pause that while I get it out. So, all right, here's bag number 3 of Flawless. I wouldn't call this flawless. I don't like usually buying these bags of gold from companies I really don't know that much about. I'm very skeptical about their ratings, their satisfactory on who's writing the reviews on these things, because you see all the pictures they show. A lot of the pictures they show, they don't show this little tiny amount of gold in the photos that they advertise. Because when you saw this kind of gold in a bag, it's a waste of money that you're spending. Let me do that for you, all right? Flawless. There's a lot of flaws in this gold. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, a couple rocks there. Get those out in my way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. Again, I gotta get some soaking. I got some floaters. I don't know, guys and gals, I have to say too, huh? Let's see here. So I get a little more of this loose dirt off. Let's deal with this black sand. A little bit of soap. Okay, let's see what we got. So disappointing. It really is so disappointing. So disappointing. This is no better than the first bags we did. Horrible gold. Horrible gold. Don't buy this. It's my opinion. You're getting ripped off. Do not buy this gold. Let me get it in the bottle and I'll check the next bag. So, these are the bags that we emptied into the pan, and this is the gold that you get. That's over $100 in bags of gold, dirt, gold pay dirt, and this is the little bit of gold you get. I will not order from these people again. So I'm doing it so you don't have to. If you get lucky enough to get a nugget out of a bag, good for you. It didn't work for me this time. So I have one more bag to do. It's a 5-pounder. Let's see what happens. Let me get this put away. I'm going to be right back. So this is the company, goldpaydirt.com. I'm now getting ready to do their 5-pound bag. So I brought out the big pan. And let's see what we can get out of this one. Pour it in there. Oh, 5 pounds. There's the dirt. Let's see what happens. Here, I have a little bit issue and some more water in there. I'll keep the dirt and check it again and see if I lost any gold. A lot of black stone anyway. Tons of it. Definitely no nuggets in there because I don't hear them rolling around. Let's see if there's any gold in there. There's a ton of black sand. Nothing yet. Do I get a picker? Can I get a picker? Shouldn't need any more soap. Water seems pretty soapy. A lot of rocks still. Get these rocks out of here. I mean, just a ton of black sand. Now starting to see some gold. Man, this is so disappointing. This is a 5-pound bag of dirt. There's not much more gold in the 5 pounds than there was in those little bags. Insane. That's out of a 5-pound bag of pay dirt. That is absolutely unacceptable. Horrible. There may be a couple of small pieces, 1 or 2 pieces, really tiny pieces over here. I'm going to double check it. But this is just sad. Sad, sad, sad. These people rip you off. Unbelievable. Put this in the bottle. And then I'll see if I got any more gold. Some more water in. I think I got a couple more pieces in here. Stop yet because it's going to take me a minute. So I did get about 6 more little tiny pieces. These guys just floated all over the place. Very light gold. Very light. So stand by. So this is the total the 5-pound bag. That is totally disgusting. Those are the 5 bags there. These bags here. This 5-pound bag produced that. Don't waste your money, people. Stand by. So, here we are. We just did the 5-pound bag, and I heated up the gold. Got all dry, so now we're going to weigh it. We got it set for grams. I don't think it's going to pick up anything. I will be surprised if it does. There you go. 5-pound bag of gold produced 0.16 grams. That is disgusting, in my opinion. And we're gonna heat up the other one. This is the bags, the 5 bags that we did. Heat that up. Like that. Dry out. Dry here in a second. Now it says 0.12. Look at that. So 0.12 to 0.16 grams on that 5-pound bag. Just so unacceptable. Okay, we tear it out. 0. Okay, here we go. This is the gold. Now this is those 5 small bags right there. Hold on. And let's see what it weighs. Alright, there it is. Those 5 bags produced 0.31. So it almost got a half a gram, not quite, out of all those bags. Stand by. This is the combined total of 5 little bags and 1 5-pound bag. 0.45 grams. Would you be happy with that? I don't know. I don't think I am. Stand by. So, this is what I paid for the gold right there. And we've just put 100%, if it's on there, 100%, 0.45 grams. $200 I paid, and my return is approximately $37.50. I don't know about you guys, but that was not fun at all. Not happy whatsoever. I will do another video once that dries out. I'll run that dirt again to see if I get any more gold. I can't believe I missed that much, but I would stay away from these guys. I would not go for this pay dirt again.